We are going to discuss about the Muslim period in the field of science, in the field of chemistry. If we talk about the Muslim period was from 600 to 1600 AD, and in the field of science. And the period is known as the period of alchemist. And in this period, Muslim scholars, Muslim scientists, they made a rich contribution in the field of science, especially in the field of chemistry. In the field of chemistry, they discovered scientific methods and instrument and experimentation. And the modern scientific knowledge is based on the contribution of those Muslim scholars. Muslim scholars, they developed and they used laboratory equipments like funnels, beakers, and crucibles for melting and fusion, and retorts for distillation, and balance for weighing. And they also discovered many acids, alcohols, and medicines. In ninth chemistry, the first there's information regarding Jabir ibn Hayyan. Jabir ibn Hayyan is the father of alchemy. He discovered many scientific experimental methods for the preparation of nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, and white lead. And he also discovered alcohols, acids, and he also developed a metallurgical process for the extraction of metal from their ores and dyeing cloths. The second one is known as Arazi, was a physician, and he was a philosopher, and he was a surgeon. He was an expert surgeon. He used first opium as an anesthesia, and he also classified substances into living and non-living on the basis of their origins, which were later adopted by Berzelius. And he classified chemical substances into organic and organic based on origins. And he also Al-Razi discovered how to prepare ethyl alcohol by the fermentation process. And the next one was Al-Biruni. He was a physician. He had made rich in physics and metaphysics, and he was also a mathematician. And he also worked in geography and history. And he discovered many the densities of various substances. And next one they discussed in your book is he was Ibn Sina. He was also he was a philosopher. He was also a mathematician. He also worked in the field of medicine and medicinal chemistry, and also he made a contribution in also in astronomy. So these were scientists. No doubt there are a lot of there are many Muslim scientists. They made a rich contribution in the field of science. And but in ninth, you must know about the contribution of Jabir ibn Hayyan, Al-Biruni, Ibn Sina, and Ar-Razi. And what they did actually work for to prolong life, and they also worked to convert base metal like lead and copper into gold. But they did not succeed. They did not get success, but by using their energy in the field of science, we discovered many substances and many laboratory equipments and many methods. So their contribution is admired by the world.